guys, finally I'm on the 12th day with Louis Vuitton. I am so excited to share this with you guys, the number 12th item, and I think this one is beautiful. It's gorgeous, it's luxurious, and actually one of my most functional Louis Vuitton items in my collection. Okay, so let me show you what I got. It is right here. It is a Louis Vuitton on the go PM. So this is the PM size, and this one is actually made up of an empreinte leather. As you guys can see right there, it was embossed with the medium size Louis Vuitton monogram. This one is actually in black right here. It's actually, they call this one as a bicolor because it is a combination of the beige and the black, and it looks stunningly beautiful right here at the back as well. Wow, the embossing is actually amazing on this, guys. I have it for several months and I'm still in love with it. Absolutely. This one is crafted beautifully. It is amazing. And so far I'm not actually seeing wear on this piece because obviously I took care of my purse, and on top of that I rotate them from time to time. This one is a perfect size for me. It is actually, I just noticed that this one is actually plain right here. On the other side as well, it is plain. Yeah, I don't know what you guys think about that though. I think that looks fine. And also it has a gold hardware as well right here. The rivets, I'm not sure what this rivets for, but that one is in gold as well. This one has a top handle right here. This one is also actually made up of an empreinte as well. It's actually very soft, but when I use this I always wrap it with a twilly. And on the inside, this is how it looks on the inside. And let's see what we have here. It is actually, yeah, the inside is just plain like this. Let me show you. It is beautiful. The bird, more like a Bordeaux color, a burgundy color. The interior for this piece, I was thinking of actually red though, but it's not. The inside is pretty roomy. It has 2 pockets right there, which I never use because it's so deep. This one actually has a zip pocket right here. The zipper is actually beautiful. I love the zipper. And I got, yeah, this one is actually lined with a microfiber lining, which is absolutely amazing. I got the one that's made in France. This one I believe has the date code because I know this was crafted early this year. I think January if I'm not mistaken though. And wow. So this one has a, you can actually clip it like this, but I didn't really even find use on this one, to be honest. And also this one has a crossbody strap where you could actually put the strap here, which I never used. That's because I'm a top handle person. And yeah, I just put it away, and sometimes I use chain on this, which actually works fine. But the beautiful gold hardware actually complements this bicolor though. I just totally love this one. And I remember I have one of these, my very first on the go, in a size GM, and yeah, that one actually, it was a that was horrible. The quality for that is totally terrible, but this one, it's absolutely amazing. And I love the fact that the only glazing that I could find on this piece is just right here where the rivets is at. on this side is actually reinforced together with the imprint leather. So that is actually a smart thing to do with this beautiful piece, and that's what sold me on this piece. That's because of that, for that reason. And even on top right here, there is no glazing. It's like leather. So basically, you're not going to worry about cracking, peeling, or anything like that. But this one actually could be. There's a possibility. But yeah, just like a minimal amount of glazing right there. I shouldn't worry about that. But this one also, the top handle has the glazing as well, which is in black, but it was still intact. It was perfect. I'm not gonna worry about that. That's because I actually wrap it. I wrap it with Ebendo when I'm using this. So basically, I'm not gonna be able to find any wear on this piece, and it was still stunning though for months and months of having this. I didn't see any peeling in here. I mean, you see it looks like it's cracking. That's because of the grain. So that's because of the grain on the imprint leather. Right there. It's beautiful. And this one didn't have a feet. I guess you guys are all familiar that the only thing that was missing on this piece is the feet. Right here. And yeah, I think that's all right. The only thing that bothers me why this one didn't have a feet, that's because of this color right here, the beige color. More likely, if you just want to put it right there on the table, it's basically, it touches the surface of something, and that's how you got, you know, stained in here. But so far, I didn't see one. I didn't see anything at all. So far, it's actually looking good. It is supple, but it's still retained. Though it's supple and soft, the structure is still the same. It's still perfect. Because I know that in time, the leather, it softens, and then you started to see the parts of here where it started to like bulge out. Well, it is actually bulging right now, right there on the core and the side, but not too much though. So it's still beautiful after all this time, and it is still my all-time favorite. I'm not sure if I will be adding more in my collection in this size, because right now for the price increase, I think this one is around $3,400 US. That's before tax, and it's gonna continue to increase next year though. But even having said that, the quality, the leather, it is amazing, and it still looks so shiny. It looks so luxurious, and it's perfect. It is perfect. So this is actually one of my all-time favorite from my Louis Vuitton collection, which I totally like. Wow, I am still impressed. I just really find the bicolor so attractive, and I've shown you on my previous video, I have a mini pochette on that. So this is the mini pochette, and they actually go together right here. So this is the mom, and she is the daughter. This one actually goes perfectly together. So all you have to do is just put this one inside, where you put all your credit cards or whatever you want to put in there. But this one goes perfectly well, both of these. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye.